Hey, genius writers, today we're turning percents into fractions like and making it super easy. Writing percent as fractions, a percent means out of 100. So 15% just means 15 out of 100. 15 hundredths. Now simplify, both 15 and 100 can be divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 100 divided by 5 equals 20. So 15% equals 3/20ths. Example 2, 35%. 35% equals 35 hundredths. Divide both by 5. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 100 divided by 5 equals 20. So 35% equals 7/20ths. Example 3. 100%. 100% equals 100 over 100. And 100 divided by 100 is just 1. So 100% equals 1 inch. Example 4. 125%. 125% equals 125 divided by 100. Let's simplify. Divide by 25. 125% equals 5 quarters, which is also a mixed number. 1 and 1 quarter. So anytime you see a percent, just think. Divide by 100, then simplify. See you next